Good afternoon. Today's our new theme is theme and brain model. I'm your English teacher Basha Siavara. In this lesson, we will speak about this topic. Let's go. Theme brain theory, a brief introduction. The term theme is first forwarded by Matthews as linguist of Prague School and developed by Halliday and many other linguists. According to Matthews, any sentence can be semantically divided into parts, theme and rhyme. Halliday argues that the theme is the starting point of the message chosen by the speaker and writer. Rhyme is the remaining part that develops theme. Definitions of theme and rhyme. So theme is main idea that you are talking about, and let's read or listen and know what the clause is going to be about. Rhyme is what you say about and the main idea. Theme in the clause Hallidayan model. Theme, what the clause is about in English is the first constituent of the clause. For example, we'll look through this example. John loves Mary. So in the sentence, John, the first part of the sentence is theme, and loves Mary. Second part of the sentence, it is called rhyme. Or if I take this sample, Mary is loved by John. Mary is theme, is loved by John, it is rhyme. So here you can see the definition of the rhyme. The rest of the clause is called rhyme. Same in the clause varies model. Main difference in varies model distinguishes between basic theme, the subject, and additional theme, any fronted adjuncts. If you take the Halliday's point of view, this sample, on a clear day, you can see forever. So on a clear day is theme, you can see forever, it is rhyme. And from the point of view vary, on a clear day, you can see forever. So on a clear day, it is a theme, additional theme, and you, it is a basic theme, can see forever, it is rhyme. Next, types of theme. So here is given the types of the theme. The first one is subject theme, unmarked theme. For example, I am writing a poem. So in the sentence, theme it is I am writing a poem, it is rhyme. Adjunct theme, partially marked. On a clear day, you can see forever. On a clear day, it is a theme, you can see forever, rhyme. Fronted objects and complements, marked themes. Fish, I like. So in the sentence, fish, it is a theme, I like, rhyme. Letters I'm writing to my friends. Letters in the sentence theme, I'm writing to my friends, it is rhyme. Theme in different mood of a clause. So in this slide, you can see different mood of clause theme. So theme in declarative sentences, theme in interrogative sentences, theme in exclamative clauses, and theme in imperative sentences. So theme in declarative sentences, unmarked theme subject. For example, the two Indians stood waiting. The Indian who was rowing them was working very hard. Of course, it is an accident. So in the sentence, market same subject assumes that is something other than the subject. In a declarative clause, we shall refer to as a market theme. Across the bay, they found the other boat. What she had left, he never knew. The most usual form of market theme is an adverbial group, such as today, suddenly, or prepositional phrase such as at night, in the corner, without much hope, functioning as adjunct in the clause. So in these samples, you can see that market parts of the sentence are called theme. For example, the two Indians, the Indian who was rowing them, of course, it is it. They are called theme, and other parts are called rheme. Same in exclamative clauses. Same in exclamative clauses. WH element is as seen. Normally, normal group adverb or adverbial group functions as exclamative WH element. For example, how cheerfully he seems to grin. What tremendously easy questions you ask. So in the sentences, marked parts are called exclamative and same in exclamative clauses. How cheerfully, what tremendously easy questions they are seen. Same in interrogative sentences. The natural theme of a question is what I want to know. Polarity, yes, no questions, unmarked theme, and final plus subject. What the speaker wants to know is polarity, yes, no. Normally, the first word, finite operator or verbal group together with nominal group functions as a subject. For example, are you interested in syntax? Would you like a cup of tea? So in the sentences, are you and would you are called theme. WH questions, unmarked theme. WH word, what speaker wants to know is the identity of the some element in the content. Nominal group, adverbial group, or prepositional phrase functions as interrogative element. For example, what are you doing here? Then, in the name of goodness, why does she brother? Which platform does it leave from? Marked theme choices are relatively rare with questions. Please see the following sentence. After the party, where did you go? Same in imperative sentences. The imperative is the only type of clause in which the predicator or the verb is regularly found as seen. Verbal group functions as predicator plus preceding don't if negative. Wake me up before the coffee break. Don't disturb me while I'm taking a nap. Let's have a look at this receipt. Please stop it. Wake, don't disturb, let's have, or please stop, they are seen. Same in closed complexes. As the universe expanded, the temperature of the radiation decreased. There are two different ways of analyzing of the dependent clause, and each captures different uh, aspect of what is going. For example, as the universe expanded, the temperature decreased of the radiation. So we will analyze this sentence. So as the universe, it is same, expanded Rheme, the temperature decreased Rheme, the temperature of the radiation same, decreased Rheme. Multiple themes. Textual theme functioning to relate the meaning of the particular clause to other parts of the text. Interpersonal theme often functioning to code the speaker's or writer's personal judgment on meaning. Topical theme functioning as the point of the orientation for the experiential meanings of the clause. Textual, for example, components of the theme, continuative, discourse signalers, for example, yes, no, well, oh, no, which signal that a new movie is beginning. Structural conjunctions and or, nor, either, neither, but, yet, so, then, when, while, before, after, until, because, even, in case, or WH relative, which, who, whose, when, where, that. Conjunctive relate to the clause to the preceding text, such as that is, for instance, rather, in any case, in fact, in short, actually, and also, moreover, but, on the other hand, instead, meanwhile, then, likewise, so, if, yet, as to that. Interpersonal, vocative, any item used to address such as personal name. Model, any of the model adjunct which expresses the speaker's judgment regarding the relevance of the message such as probably, possibly, certainly, perhaps, maybe, usually, sometimes, always, occasionally, generally, regularly, of course. I think, in my opinion, personally, frankly, to be honest, honestly, please, kindly, evidently, hopefully, in general, strictly speaking, wisely, to my surprise. Mood marking in a finite verbal operator, WH interrogative or relative. Topical participant, circumstance or process. So, here are the they are some interpersonal experiential parts of the same. I think it is clear today's our new topic. If you have got any questions or any misunderstandings, you can easily contact me. As a home task, you should do all the tasks on the Moodle platform and don't forget to submit it in time. And thank you for your attention. So our video lesson is over. Goodbye.